You gotta say, bro, we still alive in this fire?
Un saludo de parte del Muñequito de Oro para toda la gente que nos está viendo en vivo y en directo. Aquí estamos con Daniel, ¿verdad? Aquí estamos, güey.
We're here chilling at fire drill.
Puro
Where the
Guanajuato.
hall's at though? The camera over there.
Where? Who?
Aquí, güey, aquí, güey.
Akira.
No.
Straight ahead.
Man, we just got out here.
Yeah!
I don't see nothing. You know, we may be dead.
I love how they make an announcement like we can understand.
Alexis, I think we got. Oh shit, what is that? Look at that with the ponytail. Is that a boy? Oh, that is a boy. That's a boy. Over there with the ponytail. Mall. Hey, bro. I think the fire killed us.
I'm inevitable.
He was married. Are you serious? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. The fire drill killed us. We're dead. We'll do that.
Ooh, what's good, baby? What's the word? Ooh. How much I go? Hello.
Hey, bro. I think the fire drill killed us. Welding class, you know.
What it is?
No one doing. Let's go see what they're doing in these booths. They're grinding. Hey, let's see these welds. They certified?
Oh!
Nah, let's see these welds. I fucked up right here. They can't focus. Not that bad. They can't focus. Hey, bro, this is yours.
No, those are mine.
Hey, bro, I'm not gonna.
Those are mine. This is mine.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. They kind of look buns. That's what he said.
Huh? It's better than that shit.
Damn.
What I'm talking about, Joe?
Both certified. Certified welder. What's going on in here?
We need plates.
Huh?
We need plates.
You're supposed to use scrap.
Huh?
You gotta use scrap right now. What you got going on in here?
Come on, bitch.
Seems like there's a student in the parking lot. It's like we couldn't see this weld. You know, everybody's improving. Let's see his weld.
These are theirs.
Wow, I'm fucking clean it, nigga. That's not even mine.
They're rusty.
Not mine, nigga.
Yeah.
A 90 or something. Alejandro, hold on. We'll point at you real quick.